Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I'll share on how to answer the reactivity series of metals with oxygen and its application. Okay, this is SPM 2014, paper 2, section A, question number 5. Table 3 shows the information for 4 sets of experiments to construct the reactivity series of metals. Okay, so in table 3, set 1, the reactant are carbon and iron trioxide. The observation is gray solid is formed. For set 2, carbon plus oxide of X, brown solid is formed. Set 3, carbon and magnesium oxide, no change. Set 4, X and iron trioxide, no change. Okay, so question A, set 1 is a redox reaction. Okay, so now the question is referring to set 1. What is the meaning of redox reaction? Okay, so student must memorize the meaning of redox reaction. Redox is reaction involves oxidation and reduction that occurs simultaneously or occur at the same time. Okay, memorize this definition. Write the chemical equation for the reaction. Reaction in set 1. Okay, set 1 is carbon and iron trioxide. Okay, so carbon and iron trioxide will produce carbon dioxide and iron. 1 mark for correct chemical formula for all the reactant and products, and another 1 mark for the balance equation. You write the number 3, 2, 3 and 4 here. Okay, state the change in oxidation number of iron. Okay, here the iron in iron trioxide is positive 3. Okay, and iron in elemental state is 0. So positive 3 to 0. Which substance undergoes reduction in set 1? So since the oxidation number of iron is positive 3 to 0, so the substance that undergoes reduction is iron triion. Iron triion or iron trioxide. Based on set 2 and set 3, okay, explain the difference in the observations. Okay, so let's see set 2 and set 3. Set 2, carbon and oxide of X, brown solid is formed. And set 3, carbon and magnesium oxide, no change. So from the observation, no change for set 3 means no reaction. Okay, so how do you explain the observation? First point, reaction occur in set 2, but reaction does not occur in set 3. Okay, this is the inference for the observation. So you explain why? Because carbon is more reactive than X, but less reactive than magnesium. That's why there's no change in set 3. C1. Arrange X, carbon, magnesium and iron in descending order. Okay, of reactivity. So how do you arrange? Okay, based on set 2, carbon and oxide of X, carbon can displace X from its oxide. So carbon is more reactive than X. And set 3, carbon and magnesium oxide, no reaction, means carbon cannot displace magnesium from magnesium oxide. Carbon is less reactive than magnesium. So the arrangement is, okay, suggest X. So X is located below iron because the arrangement. So below iron we have this metal, but As you can see the observation there, brown solid. So we know that the metal with brown in color is copper. So the answer X is copper. Okay, draw a label diagram for the apparatus setup in set 2. Set 2 carbon and oxide of X. We heat carbon and X oxide in a crucible. 2 mark provided, 1 mark for functional diagram and another 1 mark is for the label. You have to label heat and label all the material involved. Okay. Okay, that's all. Hope this video can help you to understand better for SPM.